Hello guys, today I have a laptop that has broken audio jack inside it. Well, let me show you first. You can see that the audio jack is broken inside, and for those who don't have time to repair it, well, there is a simple solution. Well, let me show you first. The volume is full here, and here the volume is already full. Well, first you need to install Realtek Audio HD Manager. I already have Realtek HD Audio Manager. You have to go analog back panel. Here we go. Now you can see that the headphone option is enabled already. Well, you just need to enable mic in. Okay, you can hear the sound. Well, it was a very simple solution for those who want to hear the volume from its built-in speaker. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Kindly like and leave your comments as well. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.